Hi guys, welcome to PCF. Welcome to PCF. So in our last class, we discussed about the non-correlated subquery. So in our last class, we discussed about the non-correlated subquery. So if you are not familiar with that non-correlated subquery, just please go and then watch the video. So which I have created. So I will also share that in the description. So I strongly recommend to watch that video, guys. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the correlated subquery. So what is mean by correlated subquery? So correlated subquery. So even I have given clear explanation about the correlated subquery, non-correlated subquery in details in the subqueries part 1. So if you are not watch that, so please go and then watch. I will share the video in the YouTube description below. But here the non-correlated subquery. So the outer query means this one will execute first. Inner query means this one will execute later, and then after that, the output will be executed. Okay. So the syntax of this one, okay, the syntax of the correlated subquery is like just you have to select the table and then with the alias name and then where n-1 equal to the count of the table, and then you can give the alias name. So whether you want greater than or less than, so and so. Like so here we are using the table 1 alias in the within a bracket. So that is where it is relating. That is the reason we will call it as a correlated subquery. Okay, that is the reason we'll call it as a correlated subquery. So just to we need to identify the we need to go with the syntax. If you follow the syntax, so it will work as this case. Okay. So, but what is the drawback of the non-correlated subquery? So in non-correlated subquery, if you see in that video, I have explained to get the highest salary. So I have written the first max salary. So this will give the highest max salary in a table. So if you want the details on top of that, I am writing the select star from and where salary equal to. So this is what I am writing. So it will give the first max highest salary it is giving, right? The same way, if you want to find the second highest salary, you have to write the first max highest salary and then less than or equal to. Again, you can write one more max salary. So this will give the 8,000 and immediate less than or equal to this max salary. So whatever the max salary is available, so that max salary on top of that you are getting the details. So this will be one query. So if you execute this, so it will give the 7,000. It will give the 7,000. So that you keep in the bracket and then you are executing the entire query. So with the 7,000, what other records are there? So that is giving the second highest salary. The same way, if you want to find third highest salary, you have to write the 3 times that max salary. But if you want to find out the 25th highest salary, you have to write the 25th times this subquery. Okay, 25th times you have to write this subquery. Okay, so to avoid this, we have a correlated subquery. To avoid this correlated subquery, you can find n number of things you can find out. So let me write that with the syntax, guys. Okay, let me write that with the syntax. So let me take the same syntax. If you remember the syntax, that's fine. Okay, so let's take the syntax and so let me replace with my table. So what is my table? So if you want to find the highest salary, so first highest salary. Okay, so if you want to find the first highest salary, so how to find the first highest salary from this employee details table. Okay, so if we use the correlated subquery, so this is my table name. Okay, this is my table name. Use this table name and then find the first highest salary. Okay, so this is my table name and my alias table name is E1. And where, so what you want to find? First highest salary. So n place is a number. So what you want to find? So 1 minus 1, what is that? 1 minus 1 is a 0. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. And so next you want to replace the table 2. So table 2, you can place this, and then table 2 alias name is E2. So table 2 alias name is E2. And so what is the column? Count of column, you want to get the salary. Okay, salary. So salary. Okay, and so where alias 2 means this one, table 2 alias. Okay, this one. So E2 dot salary, and so here if you want to find the highest salary, you will use the greater than, and if you want to find the lowest salary, so you will go with the less than. So here I want to find the highest salary, I'm going with the greater than, and this is the table 1 alias. This table 1 alias is E1, just to go and then replace with the E1. Okay, and simply you can go with the column name, that is the salary column. Okay, salary column. So what it will do, so it is relating with this one. Okay, this one. So here is E1 is relating within the brackets, right? So that's where we can find out the highest salary. So this is the way to we can find the highest salary. Even if you want to find the second highest salary, so what you can do. So if you want to find the second highest salary, just to replace with the number. Okay, second highest salary, just you can go and then replace. So n minus 1, right? So here you need to write the n minus 1. So n means your second minus 1. So n minus 1 means 1. So second highest salary. So to find out the second highest salary, you need to write the 1. Okay, so the same way you can go find the third highest salary. If you want to find third highest salary, so third minus 1. So that is second. So like this, you can replace and then you can find the salaries. If you want to find the fourth highest salary, so just go minus 4 minus 1. So 3. So you can replace 3 and then you can exclude. So that will get with the fourth highest salary. So the same way you can go with the fifth highest salary. If you want a fifth highest salary, 5 minus 1. So it will be 4, just to give the 4 and then execute it. So it will give the fourth highest salary. So fifth highest salary. So like that, you can go with the n minus 1. You can get, even if it is the 25th highest salary. So what you have to do? 25th minus 1. So then you have to write the 24. Okay. So you have to write the 24 and then you will get the 24th highest salary. So we don't have that much salaries, right? So that is the reason we will get empty. Okay. This way we'll get the, so n number of salaries if you want to get. So then you can go and then execute this. So one thing you need to remember is, so you need to remember the syntax. Okay, even not only for the highest salary, if you want to find out the department, okay, in that department, like suppose IT department is there, HR department is there. So even audit department is there. So in the department, okay, you have employee table separate and a department table separate. So in that department, each department wise, so like salaries will be there, right? So in that salaries, like who are getting the average greater than average salary, which employee is getting so this IT department may be having some 30,000 salary. Okay, average 30,000. So the total salary may be 30,000. And if you do the average, so like, so maybe 3 or 4 people is there, so you may get the average, right? So in that, who are getting that greater than that average salary, which person in the department IT is greater than getting the average salary greater than the department salary. Okay, so that kind of information also we can get by using the correlated subquery. Okay, so this kind of interview questions you may face. So if you have 2 tables and then you want to give the correlation and then get the highest sum related something, then definitely you have to use the correlated subquery. Okay, hope you understand. If you like the video, please like the video and share, subscribe for more videos, guys. Okay, thank you.